Did you know many people are having trouble with their pump keypads? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off power. Turn off the power to the pump before beginning any troubleshooting to ensure safety. Step 2. Check connections. Inspect and ensure the low voltage wiring and RS. 485 connectors are free from breaks and wires are correctly placed: red, black, yellow, green. Step 3. Test continuity. Use a multimeter to check for continuity in the low voltage lines, confirming there are no breaks. Step 4. Conduct jumper test. Perform the RS 485 jumper test by connecting wires between specific pins to check motor response. Step 5. Set up DP switches. Review the dip switch settings, ensuring both switches are in the OFF position for standard setup. By following these steps, your JANDY vs FloPro pump keypad should function properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other JANDY users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.